As I approached Karbala, I noticed the number of people heading toward Imam Hussein's shrine was steadily growing. Exhausted from the journey, I took a seat on a plastic chair and examined the blisters on my feet. These painful blisters had slowed me down, causing me to arrive a day later than the others. As I continued on my journey, I came across a middle-aged man who was frying potatoes for a group of children. Despite the sweat pouring down his face, he wore a cheerful expression. This was a common sight on the pilgrimage to Imam Hussein's shrine. Many people had found the purpose and meaning of their life through their devotion to Imam Hussein and were willing to make sacrifices for the sake of his pilgrims. After a few minutes, something peculiar occurred. A group of boys and girls who appeared to be of European descent approached the man who was frying potatoes. Initially, I assumed they were there to partake in the food or take pictures, but I soon realized they were greeting the man with great respect. This piqued my curiosity, and I listened intently to their conversation. As I listened in, one of the girls spoke up, expressing her pride in being a student of the man. She mentioned that his article had recently won an award, which had only increased their admiration for him. Despite the praise, the man remained humble and continued to fry the potatoes with a smile on his face. In my limited Arabic, I approached a young man who was distributing tea to the pilgrims and asked if he knew the man who was frying potatoes. The young man smiled and replied, "Are you referring to Professor Muhammad? He's from our area." As he handed me a cup of tea, he went on to explain that every year, the professor takes a month off from teaching at Cambridge University to come and serve the pilgrims of Imam Hussein.